Hi, my name is Dr. Faiza Khan and I'm a practicing homeopathic doctor from Mumbai, India. It's my great privilege to be a part of Dr. Shankaran's online homeopathy portal, where the main idea of this portal is to reach across to everybody all across so that the best homeopathic treatment can be offered to them at their doorstep. My journey in homeopathy began with my sister already being into homeopathy, and then me getting into this homeopathic course from CMP Homeopathic Medical College in Mumbai. And even before I graduated, I was greatly inspired by Dr. Rajan Shankaran and a lot of other wonderful homeopaths out there in our college, from Dr. Vijay Vaishnav to Dr. Nimish Mehta to Dr. Devarika. All these people had really inspired and shown us in our college life what homeopathy can actually do. We had privilege of learning from doctors who attended our OPD like Dr. Parinaz Humranwala and Dr. Rajan Shankaran. And right from my early age, I was trained and guided by Dr. Shankaran at each step. I also had done my fellowship in homeopathy from the Other Song Academy. And I currently work with Dr. Shankaran at his private clinic in Juhu, and I also have my own private practice. With Dr. Shankaran, it has always been an amazing journey where I have learned what to do and what has not to be done, and what are the do's and don'ts. And he's been a great inspiration, and it's really a privilege to be a part of his portal, where he really has a great motive and objective to reach out to people. Apart from homeopathy, what I also love doing is, which really makes me feel that I can offer help and I can do something, is I really enjoy and I feel content when I can reach out to the underprivileged people and different people from the society and help them learn more about themselves, their body, what is their health all about. When I work with different NGOs, which helps me to reach out to young girls, to educate them about menstrual hygiene, to teach them what is exactly, what organ of their body plays what role, or what are menses. And it's really shocking to know that majority of the population is still having a lot of myths and taboos about menses, of not being aware of what it is exactly. So I do try to, in my small way, try to reach out these girls and help them and educate them about these things. And this is something which really makes me contented, and I feel happy about it.